The advertising of medicinal products for human use is regulated to allow companies to promote their products while providing correct information on drugs. In Italy, Legislative Decree 24 April 2006 number 219 details the characteristics and purposes of the so-called promotional materials, that is, any material drafted for the purposes of the scientific information addressed to health professionals. Promotional materials can be available in many forms: advertising leaflets, gadgets, reprints, slide kits, exhibition materials for congresses and meetings, materials to be published in websites, monographs, audiovisual material, material published on scientific journals, etc. Today, other modern technological devices are also available, such as online dissemination media, videos, e-learning, newsletters and smartphone applications. In spite of such dematerialisation, however, many companies still prefer the traditional printed material and direct contacts between doctors, pharmacists and pharmaceutical sales representatives. Promotional materials should always comply with the information reported in the summary of product characteristics, and its content should always be updated and documented. In Italy, promotional materials should be submitted to the Italian Medicine Agency before being used in any advertising campaign, and can be considered as approved after 10 days from their submission with no request or change by the authority. The materials must be submitted to the agency online via the IFA front-end application, and the submission date should be reported in the material, otherwise this will be invalid.